Welcome. In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and in this video I will show you what to do if your face unlock feature doesn't recognize your face properly. In such case, you'll have to set up a new face model. To do that, go to Settings, select Security and Privacy, then go to Device Unlocking, go to Screen Lock, you have to go to Face, and if you have some previous face models set up on your phone, then remove them beforehand, and then before proceeding with adding a new face model, let's wipe the frontal camera of your phone with the dry towel, just to make sure you can clearly see your face in the camera, and also make sure that the lights in your room are set up properly. So when you're ready, select Start Enrollment, click Agree, and proceed with adding the face. And once it's done, click OK. And then go back to Settings, select System Update, and check if your device has any updates prepared for you. And if you have an update, then select Download and Install. Wait until your device until the update is downloaded and installed, and then reboot your phone, and then let's see if the face unlock feature works properly. And once the update is complete, let's check how our features work now. And as you can see, everything went smoothly. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.